Are you sick and tired of pouring your heart and soul into your YouTube videos just to barely get any views? It feels like YouTube is almost ignoring your videos and it isn't recommending it to anyone new, and so your content just seems like it's invisible at this point. Trust me, I understand because I was where you are right now just a couple of months ago, but I found a solution. And so in today's video, I want to talk about this solution, and it consists of 3 things that you can do on your channel to start getting more views. And you will want to learn all 3 of these methods because I'm telling you, if you stick until method 3, that is the most powerful one by far. Method 3 alone helped me to generate over 50,000 views in just 3 months with my new channel. But if you use them collectively and you use all 3 methods together, then you can get even better results. So I don't want to waste your time. I want you to start growing immediately. And so let's jump right in. Okay, so as you can see, we are here now in the back end of my channel. So the number 1 thing that you need to do if you want YouTube to recommend more of your content is you need to make sure that the SEO of your content is set. Now, what I mean by SEO is it's the keywords that YouTube uses to sort of categorize your content. So this way YouTube knows what your channel is about. And so you're going to understand in a second as I show you here. So you'll see here we are in the back end. And what I want you to do is I want you to head over to your settings. So you'll see here in the left-hand corner, here at the bottom, you can click on settings and it'll open up this window right over here. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to move over to channel right over there. And as you can see here, is where all of the magic is going to happen when it comes to the SEO of your channel. So you can see here that I've inserted several different keywords here. So you have 500 characters. So that means there's going to be several different keywords that you can include here. And what you want to do over here is you want to make sure that you are including keywords that are relevant to your industry, your niche, your channel. Okay. So as you can see, my channel is all about YouTube growth and strategy and making money on YouTube and all of those things. And so you'll see a lot of my keywords has to do with that. So you can see here, I have keywords such as YouTube growth, grow your YouTube channel, full-time YouTuber. And then I also have some popular names in the YouTube growth space. So you probably know about Think Media, which is a very popular YouTube growth channel. You probably have heard about Sean Cannell, Nate Black, all of these different creators and channels that have to do with this industry. And so because they are very popular people and channels in this space, I went ahead and I added them as well because I know that my audience will be searching for them. And then you'll see I also included some tools like vidIQ is a very popular SEO tool for YouTube specifically. I inserted different key phrases such as YouTube thumbnails, YouTube business, YouTube advice, all of these different things that I essentially help people with on my channel. So I want you to go ahead and think of the things that you help people on your channel with. So, if you have a woodworking channel, you're most likely going to have several different keywords that have to do with woodworking specifically. And you need to also think further than just woodworking as a phrase. Think of other things that people may be searching in your niche. And so a good tool that you can actually use to help you find these keywords is vidIQ. Now I'm quickly going to hop over onto vidIQ and show you how you can use, I believe you can use the free version for this as well. I do have the paid version, but I'm going to hop on there real quick and show you how you can use vidIQ to find these keywords for you if you're unsure. All right, so now that we are in vidIQ, I'm going to head over to the keywords portion of this tool. Like I said, you can download the free version of vidIQ. I'll leave a link in the description below. And then what you do from there is you just simply come over here into the search keywords and you're going to type in your keyword that you want to search. So for me, it's YouTube growth. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to head over to related keywords and you're going to see an entire list of keywords that vidIQ is going to give you that people most likely search in your niche. So what I like to do is I like to filter them by overall. So I like to have the least competitive keywords at the top. And then it just goes down from there. So you can see the green ones are the ones that you most likely want to include, but sometimes they're not relevant. You need to make sure that they're relevant. So for example, with my channel, UGC content creator isn't relevant because that's not something that I teach. However, Sean Cannell is relevant because he is a very popular figure in the YouTube growth industry. And so I included him. Ali Abdal, maybe YouTube AI automation, I could include that on my SEO list. So as you see, I have so many options now to go and include on my YouTube SEO portion of my channel. Just make sure that they are relevant to your channel. All right, now moving on to the second thing that you need to do to get YouTube to recommend your videos to more people, and that is to optimize your about section on your channel. Now, this also has to do with SEO. You need to make sure that you're including the right keywords into your about section. And I'm going to show you exactly how mine looks, and then I'm going to show you how you can do yours as well. So as you can see, we are here on my about section of my channel. So all that I did is I literally went over here, went into my channel and clicked on more, and you can see my about section popping up. Now, if you're leaving yours blank, you're missing a huge opportunity here, because having this isn't only good for YouTube, but it's also good for your subscribers and people who visit your channel, because it shows them exactly what your channel is about. So as you can see here on my channel, mine says, hey YouTube creator, you're here because you want to start a profitable YouTube channel that can make you additional monthly income. So immediately I'm telling people they're in the right place if they are a YouTube creator who wants to make money with their YouTube channel, right? So immediately I call them out. Then I go on to say, growing a YouTube channel can be difficult, especially if you don't understand the YouTube algorithm. Now notice, as I am reading this to you, I have several keywords in here. So first of all, YouTube creator is a keyword for me. Then again, start a profitable YouTube channel is another keyword. Then growing a channel is also one, plus YouTube algorithm is also one of my keywords. So you can see here, I put in so many different keywords in those two sentences already. Then I move on to introduce myself, because it's very important for you to, if you can, mention your name, because people do get to know you. And so I say here, I'm Shantae, and then I just tell them a bit of my backstory. So I say here that why they can listen to me. And so you can also do that in this section. Plus, again, you'll see throughout here, I give all of these different keywords. I then go on to tell them what they can expect from my channel. So I tell them here on this channel, they can expect to find tried and tested YouTube growth strategies. They can find tips to make money on YouTube. They can find some occasional tough love, because growing on YouTube is very hard, as you know. And then I just go and conclude it by saying, welcome to the fam. That's just something that I say on my channel. And I give them my email as well as my IG handle. So you can see it's very short and sweet. It's very powerful. Plus then at the end, I also include my 3 most popular hashtags. So for me, that's YouTube growth, grow on YouTube, and YouTube monetization. You can again take your keywords and then use the most popular ones here as your hashtags. So that is the basic formula that you can follow to write your about section. Okay, so getting to the third, and this is the most important tip by far if you want YouTube to recommend your videos to more people, and that is that you need to be posting trending video topics. Now, this tip is literally the game changer that's going to change the entire game for your YouTube channel. It's going to help you grow so much. And I know this because this tip literally helped me take my channel from getting around 500 views per month to getting over 50,000 views in just 90 days. It works so well. And so what I want you to do is I want you to focus on finding trending video topics on YouTube. So you're likely already scrolling through YouTube half the day, because if you're anything like me, you live on YouTube. And so what I want you to do is I want you to start taking notice of the popular video topics that keep popping up again and again and again. So I can show you an example of what I did with one of my videos. So as you can see on the screen, I'll show you the video. where I did this. And so this video was all about the new video style that's taking over YouTube. Now, I saw a similar topic popping up on YouTube all the time. So other creators were creating videos that were about the new video editing style that's popular on YouTube. And, this more simple video editing style is doing so well. And I took note of the fact that so many creators were posting videos about this topic, and the videos were getting thousands of views. And so I decided to create a similar video on my channel, and it did so well. That is the top performing video on my channel. And it's all because I looked at what is trending currently, and I posted a similar video on my channel. So I want you to also do the same for your channel. Try to find trending video topics in your specific niche that you can then also create on your channel. Now, it's very important to not copy these creators. You need to make sure that you are actually knowledgeable about this topic. So make sure that you know a couple of things about this topic. And then also make sure you adjust the video to suit your own knowledge, your own skills, your own expertise and experiences. Okay, you don't want to be a copycat, but you can copy the topic, so to speak. Now, obviously, there's a lot more that goes into creating a successful video than just finding a trending topic, such as you need to create a really striking thumbnail, a really striking title. You need to do all of these different things and have your script be engaging. So all of these different elements do impact how well a video will do and how much YouTube is going to recommend that video to other people. And if you want help creating those kinds of videos, I did create a free viral YouTube video checklist that you can download in the description below. And so this checklist literally outlines the 9 key things that almost all viral videos have. So if you follow this checklist, you will be able to create better videos that may help you get more views. But if you're also like me, you're probably someone who likes having a step-by-step process to create these trending videos. And so I have good news for you. I created an in-depth course that teaches you the step-by-step process of finding viral video topics, creating super powerful titles and thumbnails, writing a super basic script that is very effective, and all of the above. It literally covers everything you need to know to create these kinds of videos that can boost your channel and get YouTube to recommend more of your videos. And so if you're interested in that, I'm also going to link it down below and you can go and check it out. Now, we've covered a lot in this video about getting YouTube to recommend your videos, but the good news is that you do not have to create super complicated videos to get YouTube to show your videos to more people. And so if you want to learn about the more low effort video style that I'm following right now, that's still getting me great results, then you can go ahead and watch this video right over here. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.